Today is Thursday, December 4th. And Tuesday was Andrea's first day of school, but I couldn't get the camera or the video camera to work. So I have to get video today. Where are you going to go, Andrea? Where are you going? To school? What do you have on your back? A backpack. You're all ready for school. How old are you?
2.
2? And you don't like being videotaped. Are you ready for school? Do you have fun at school? Yeah? Who's your teacher? Do you know who your teacher is? Can you say Miss? It's not Miss Trudy anymore. It used to be Miss Trudy. It's Miss Danielle. Very good. You get to go play with Miss Danielle today. Can you wave bye-bye to the camera? And we'll go bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Danielle.